Welcome to the installation video for Blue Tech hooks. Recycle bin holders. Step 1 is to measure the distance between the hooks according to where you want them placed on your recycle bin. So we have 6 inches. Step 2 is to draw a level line at the appropriate height. Step 3 is to transfer your measurements to the wall. Step 4 is to mark where you want your screws to go, using the hooks as a reference. Step 5, using a drill, install anchors into the wall. Step 6, using a screwdriver, screw the hooks into the wall. Do not over tighten. Step 7, hang recycle bin.